Hello everyone and welcome. This video is going to go over how to select full schedule options for College for America and Snow College Online in Schedule Builder. The first thing to do is log into InfoCenter. On the home page, scroll down to find your student who will be a part of one of these programs. Remember that you will have to fill out a schedule for each student and that this student must be in grades 9 through 12 in order to participate in either College for America or Snow College Online. Period 1 will be your student's homeroom period. Click on Homeroom and click Set. You'll see a little notification pop up at the bottom indicating that Period 1 has been set. For Period 2, click Select Course, and here you will select College Math. The course type is MyTech High Direct. The provider is whichever course this student will be taking. I'll select Full Schedule College for America in this example. A note will pop up reminding you that this course needs to take up slots for periods 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, hence the full schedule option. For the exact course name, select Full Schedule College for America. And this little note will pop up reminding your student to complete the College for America enrollment project before submitting this schedule for approval by visiting this URL. For those students choosing Snow College Online, your note will have additional text that tells you that after registering for Snow Online, you may see a balance due on the student account. Snow is required to post the fee to each student's account, but MyTech High will pay it directly to Snow and it'll turn to $0 in September. Once you've filled out all 4 of these sections, click Set. Now when you go in to select periods 3 through 6, most of the drop-down menu options will already be filled out. You will just have to select the exact course name option, click OK, click Set, and do this same process for each period except Period 7. Even with Period 4, you just need to select Science or Social Studies, and the drop-down menu options will already be filled out. Just don't forget to select the exact course name. If you're halfway through filling out a full schedule option and you decide that you don't actually want to do the full schedule option, then you can just click on the Reset Course Options button, which will reset all of the periods you've already selected. You will now need to make a new selection for each period. Don't forget about Period 7. Period 7 is optional, so most of you will just click the Select Course and click None, and click Set. And remember that if you do choose a course in Period 7, your student's technology allowance will be affected. Once you're done, don't forget to click Submit Schedule. Click Submit, and the schedule for that child has been submitted. Thank you all for watching. If you have any other questions, please reach out to our parent support team through the Contact Us link at the bottom of each page at mytechhigh.com, and we'll put you in touch with the specialists that you need.